start exploring. We'll take a quick tour through each of the 4 quadrants to see what kinds of real-world ideologies actually live there.
Starting in the top left corner, we find ideologies that believe in a really strong, centralized government to manage a collectivist economy. In this zone, the state plays a massive role in redistributing wealth and controlling society, all for what's seen as the good of the group. A classic example, way up in this quadrant, is Leninism. The core idea here is that a small elite group, they called it the Vanguard Party, has to seize power, completely tear down the old capitalist system, and build a new socialist society. Now, here's the catch. The state is then supposed to just dissolve itself once the job is done. But not everything in this quadrant is that extreme. If you move closer to the center, you find ideas like Christian democracy. This totally supports a democratic system, but it wants laws and social safety nets to be based on Christian values, like charity for the poor and helping the needy through state-run programs.
All right, let's hop across to the top right quadrant. Here, you see a mix of strong government control with an emphasis on private wealth, tradition, and national pride. In this view, the state's power is used to enforce order and protect what are seen as core cultural values.
At the very extreme end of this quadrant, you get fascism. It's built on this incredibly intense nationalism, where your personal freedom is completely sacrificed for the greater good of the nation or a specific ethnic group, often backed by